Okay, so yesterday was Saturday and 14th of June. Everywhere in Lagos was clouded, and I was only able to generate 1.9 kilowatt from a whopping 7.6 kilowatt panels. This morning already I've done 1.8 kilowatt and it's still 9 a.m. So we have generated almost the same thing we generated for the whole of yesterday. So my battery is at 27%, okay, because I was having this system that was here for a while now, so I've not been using this battery. So today we make it 4 years that I've been using this battery. So I'll be charging this battery back up from 0 amp hours, and I'll be updating how many amp hours is left in this DIY battery I did about 4 years ago. Okay, so I've connected the inverter now, so I'm charging at 50 amps. So you can see it's ramping up. So this is how inverter charges. So you can see I'm also getting the same power from my current setup. Okay, so this is what we are using to charge that inverter. So you can see the current here has reduced because I'm predicting that today we'll have enough sun. So you can see I'm doing about 1.9 kilowatt of load and 2.9 kilowatt from the solar panel. So we'll be able to recharge that 5 kilowatt battery back and also still charge this our battery to full, because today is looking like a good day already. Okay, so you can see we're charging 1 amp hours done already. So how many amp hours can we charge back into the battery after 4 years? Charge about 46%. The sun is angry. This is 1 o'clock already. Okay, so we have done 17 kilowatt hours produced, and we have charged this battery back 178 amp hours. Okay, so after 4 years the state of health of these batteries is 89%. Okay, so I set the capacity to 200 amp hours so that we can see it in terms of state of health. So the capacity left here is 178 amp hours after 4 years of daily usage. So out of 5 kilowatt hours, we are left with only 4.556 kilowatt hours. Okay, so these are the cell voltages. Okay, so you can see how the voltages are very close, and you can see 0.1 millivolts. Okay, so these cells are pretty balanced at the top, because you can see something here. It has active balancer 1 amp. Okay, so that is why the cells are balanced at the moment. Okay, all good. So after 4 years we have 89% state of health. Okay, so state of health is 89% after 4 years.